Let's head back to the track a bit. Glenn Mills, coach of two-time World Championship 100-meter finalist Oblique Seville and reigning world champion Antonia Watson, says both athletes have recovered from the injury concerns they had at the National Senior Championships in June and are set to compete this month. Seville recovered from muscle spasms at the start of the men's 100-meter final to finish second in the event in a season's best 9.84 seconds behind Olympic silver medalist Kishane Thompson, who won in 9.75. Coach Mills further explained what happened to Seville at the national championships.
Chemistry where he was having some kind of spasm in his leg. So when he went at the start, I think he was about to assume a cute position going down. He felt it. So, of course, he reacted quite hysterical. I can understand because when he felt that was it.
Coach Mills also revealed that the Paris Olympic finalist has fully recovered and is set to compete at the London Diamond League meet on July 19, where he's expected to be a part of Jamaica's sprint relay team.
When he finished, he was very sore and so on, but he's okay now. We've been treating him and so on, and I think he's in a better place now. He's scheduled to run in London, so we'll see.
In the meantime, Coach Mills also revealed that Watson, the 2023 World 400-meter champion, who stopped after a few meters into the men's 400-meter semifinals at the National Championships as a precautionary move and is scheduled to return to competitive action this weekend in Memphis in the USA.